Hi, lovely family. Welcome to your favorite cooking channel, Cooking with Abba. Today, I'm going to be making something with luncheon meat. If you've not tried luncheon meat before, this is one recipe or one way to start your luncheon meat with. So I did the kebab version and I did the grilled version of it. I really want you to try this. Now, luncheon meat, you see, you can eat it raw, but it tastes a bit interesting when you eat it raw. So the best way to do it is to cook it. You can use it in your pies, in your pastries, in your salad, in your stews. You can use it in varied ways. But I love it in the kebab and then the pan grilled version, which I'm sharing on this channel. So if you meet luncheon meat on the shelves in the supermarket, don't look at it funny. It's something which is very nice. You can try it out as well. So I just sliced the for the grill. Then I cubed the rest for the kebab. So for the kebab, all you need is your mixed spice and salt so that it doesn't taste bland. I'm just going to mix the two up. Then I just dusted both part of it. So the flat ones were what I was going to use for the grill. So I just dusted that in just to give it a bit of extra taste in there. The spice is up to you. If you like just pepper, you can. If you like just onion powder, ginger powder, any spice you're a fan of, you can use it with it. The ones that goes in, I did the same with the kebab. For the kebab, I don't really recommend you have so much spice around it. It's going to be too spicy. And when you're done, you may want to eat it with some pepper sauce or something. So it's up to you when it comes to the quantity to put in. So I just wrapped everything, the rest remaining, on the kebab. So all I do is to pick my kebab stick, then I put my kebab veggie, any vegetable of your preference. If you want to use onion, you can. I like the carrots because the carrots feel a bit crunchy and more colorful as well. If you like onions, you can use them as well. The only thing about the green pepper is sometimes when you toss it with the heat and things, some of them may taste a little better, but it's also nutritious and healthy. So any vegetable of your preference is good to go. But try it with the carrots. The carrots, dear, I love it. Like it comes tasting mwah, mwah in there. And if you're going to use carrots, you have to cut it a bit chunky as well. So you realize my sizes were very intentional in there as well. So you're going to just arrange all of them, prep it before you go. Yeah, no, masa, fegu stick back or so what. So yes, and you have to be very careful. Don't cut it too slim, else when you're passing the stick in, it's going to break off. Yes, and you have to handle it with care. So I just heated my pan, I poured in my oil, then I placed the sliced ones in there to pan grill in there as well. So I'll just be turning the sides to let each side cook beautifully. And see, I use the grilling pan for a purpose to give me nice lines at the back as well. So you just need to be turning this side by side so you get that golden brown look. Then you know that it's well cooked. But it doesn't take long to cook. So even within 5 minutes, it should be well done. I always recommend you do these over very low heat so that it doesn't look brown, but then the inside still feels a bit too raw, be like that. So I just added a bit of extra oil when I was done. Then I arranged my kebabs in for it to be flat in. Then I just continue to let it cook over its low heat. Low heat there, when you're doing things like this, you don't want the outside to look good, but the inside will not be well done in there as well. So yes, this is one simple way to enjoy your luncheon meat. If you like pepper sauce, you can put pepper sauce around it. Any sauce you want, you can put around it and do your grill pan in there as well. So this is simple, but it's tasty and it's nice. And you can have it for your parties, for yourself, and all those things. Enjoy it as well. Just like you'd enjoy chicken kebab and cold, luncheon meat kebab is also one super tasty way to go about it. And this tastes than even sausage when you do it. So I just let it be over the low heat. Then you'd have to also be turning it to make sure that each side of it cooks. And you realize that as it's cooking, the color is changing. You're getting that reddish brown kind of look in there. That makes you know that, yeah, it's getting cooked. And because my grill pan is a little bit slopey, I just used my spoon to help me. Is it my spoon? I thought if I say. So I used the eight to just help me flatten and get everything like touching the pan properly. So once you turn, let each side cook and it's reddish brown, you know that it is ready and good to be eaten. So yes, I enjoyed mine with some kose. I had some tangerine alongside, some oat pancakes. You should check that one out, and then some boiled eggs with some pepper as well. And this was on my diet day 11 as well. So till I see the next food video, do live life to the fullest, be joyous, be merry, and let me see you in the next food video. Let's have a laugh for my team and I. Mwah.